maganda, maayos, masigla ang ating umagang weekend, Saturday.
Parang mas kikiligin sila if we will also meet them a good morning, Andrew.
Good morning, everyone. Are we excited to be healthy?
Yeah!
Ayun ba? Ayun, sagot. Are we excited to be healthy?
Yes!
Are we excited to be wealthy?
Yes!
Mas masaya sila sa wealthy.
Mas malakas yung
Mas malakas yung
sa
wealthy.
paghihiyawan. Thank you so much, everybody. Also, may we request Mr. Richard Lim to please join us here for our very quick conversation about our newest campaign. And John, please join us. Thank you very much, sir. There we have it. Now, let's have a little chat about the brand new Sun Life Grandma campaign that we are all very excited about. So we have a few questions here to fulfill our curiosity and interest about this partnership. Of course, let's begin with our brand ambassador, Enchong. Enchong, this one is for you. What made you say yes to the Sun Life Grandma campaign, and how does it feel?
I love the campaign of Grandma, actually, Sun Life Grandma, because I feel like it's mirroring, it's magnifying what I truly believe in already, and they're helping me achieve most of the mission that I want to achieve with health and at the same time with wealth. Kaya nga kanina tinanong ko, diba, are we excited to be healthy? Are we excited to be wealthy? Because Sun Life Grandma is supporting that mission. Diba? And what better way to a company na hindi lang yung pagpapayaman ng bulsa yung ginagawa, but at the same time, taking care of your health. And we all know that in the Philippines, in our country, Filipinos, it's a continuous struggle. It's a continuous side note in our head na, okay, it's always being said na we are one poverty away from hospitalization. We are one hospitalization away from poverty. Right there. So, sabi ko, okay, Sun Life Grandma, game na game.
Game na game talaga. Palakpakan naman natin, Mr. Anthony. And tama yun, no? Especially with the high healthcare costs recently, di ba? In the last few years, I totally agree with that. And definitely, you are the perfect embodiment of our newest campaign because he's fit, he's healthy, but most importantly, he is prepared for the different life circumstances. Now, this next question goes out to Mr. Richard Lim. Sir, why did you tap Enchong D to be Sun Life Grandpa's ambassador?
Bakit nga ba?
Oo.
Enchong was a natural choice, because he is a man we know who is living an active life, lifestyle, staying disciplined all throughout, and just really making those intentional choices about his health. So, yeah, he is our brand ambassador, and he is someone who lives our message of healthy, informed, and protected.
He doesn't only preach it, he actually lives this campaign, this advocacy, and he is the perfect embodiment of it. Now, this one goes out for our both gentlemen here. How do you protect your health, and what particular experience in life compelled you to protect your health in so many ways, from living healthy to getting a health insurance product? So, Enchong, let's start with you.
This one is really funny because my stylist here is also our stylist from It's Okay to Not Be Okay. If you get to watch the series, one of the scenes there wherein yung nasa National Museum kami, the day before that, I got hospitalized. I brought myself to the ER because apparently the night before with my dinner with my family, it's a Sunday, I ate yung hilaw na pampalong na hindi ko alam na hindi pala. Actually, my mom was like, gusto mo ipaluto pa natin, anak? She was like, and then sabi ko, hindi, okay na yan, makaya ng tiyan ko yan. And then only to realize that after a few hours, nag-start na yung inflammation sa mukha ko, and then I had to bring myself to the hospital. And then I was just there for 3 hours kasi sabi ko, okay, I need to leave the hospital as soon as possible because 7 a.m. yung call time ko sa set. And we don't have any other schedule because I'm transferred to another set after that day. And then I was just there for 3 hours. And then yung bill ko parang 40,000 for 3 hours. Tapos, di ba parang, I mean, of course, we do everything for our health. Kahit ano pang emergency yan, di ba? We really pay for that. And then sabi ko, okay na yan, para naman sa kalusugan yan, para naman yan sa kaligtasan ko. And then, the weekend after, I talked to my mom, sabi niya, anak, send mo sa akin yung resibo kasi pwede natin maklaim yan sa health insurance. Sabi ko, ganun pala yung feeling na, okay, hindi mo kailangan gastusin yung pera mo ngayon. Yung binaon mo, yung prinotektahan mo from the past, nagagamit mo na siya ngayon. Yung parang worries mo for that particular day, nawawala because you protected yourself ahead of time. So sabi ko, okay, I need to keep telling people to get their health insurance because kailangan natin to lahat.
That's right. Alam mo, tama yun, no? And yung sabi nga kanina ni Mr. Richard Lim, prevention is always better than cure. Kasi marami sa atin, especially you, di ba? Ikaw, super healthy ka, but then, hindi naman natin
Hindi mo
ine-expect.
talaga masasabi.
Oo. Like, yung pagkain na kinain natin, kala natin safe yun. Diba? Those are some of the lifestyle, lalo na yung mga matatakaw dyan pagdating sa mga celebrations at occasions. Diba? So that's a very good example. And thank you so much for sharing to us. And John, how about you, Mr. Richard Lim?
Wow, para test to, ha? How do you protect your health? Well, I do what I preach. Really, meaning I practice healthy living. I do exercise, walking a lot, about 15 to 20 k as much as possible every day. I also eat, but I eat moderately at times, or may mga at times na hindi. I also listen to and watch a lot of, or attend mga health webinars, events like this, of course. And you know, I love nature, so I connect with nature. I go out with my friends because I also connect with my friends for mental wellness. But you see, my experience goes way back much earlier in my life when I was still a kid, 11 years old. Because my father died very early at the age of 45, and he has lung cancer. And that experience has a devastating effect on my mom and in our family. And that's why, as early as the age of 20, eventually, you know, when I was starting to earn something, I immediately took up insurance. And you see, when now my mother is staying with me, already 93 years old, I take care of her. And when you have somebody that you care about, somebody that you love, somebody that you also want to protect, then you want to protect yourself as well. So that's why staying healthy, informed, and protected is very important.
Yes, tama yun, no, sir. Thank you very much for sharing as well. Now, making sure that you are in check with the right health insurance not only protects you, your physical capabilities, but also your financial and your family's overall well-being. So maraming salamat, Mr. Richard Lim. Now, for our final question, what's the overall message or key takeaway that you hope each and every single Filipinos out there would have from this Sun Life Grab a Hip for All campaign? What would be your golden advice to Filipinos? And John?
This is just a recent parang reflection that I was thinking a few days ago. Sabi ko, pag komportable yung buhay natin, kapag nasa comfortable era tayo ng buhay natin, walang sakit, may trabaho tayo, nakakapagbakasyon tayo, I think that's the perfect time to somehow control your grip when it comes to money. But at the same time, kapag dumating naman yung uncomfortable time natin, kapag medyo mahirap yung panahon, may war, may ang laki ng inflation, we loosen that grip sa money. What I'm trying to say is, let's protect ourselves. May it be health, may it be our financial health, may it be our spiritual health, may it be our intellectual, our mental health. Kailangan protektahan natin yung sarili natin bago pa dumating yung sakuna, bago pa dumating yung paghihirap. We have to protect ourselves early on, ahead of time. And then pasasalamatan mo na lang yung sarili mo dahil kapag dumating yung panahon na yun, and I'm telling you, lahat tayo pagdadaanan natin yun. Life is always a cycle. Pagdadaanan natin yun, at least meron tayong panghahawakan, meron tayong masasandalan, at meron tayong mapupuntahan.
That is very beautiful. Thank you so much, Enjo. Hindi tayo si Superman, diba? We're only humans and we can't really get ready all the time. Hindi natin na-expect yung mga life circumstances. So thank you so much, Enjo. Mr. Richard Lim, yes?
Our message is pretty simple. We want people to take care of your health before the illness comes in or before the crisis forces you to do so. I've seen and experienced recently, just in the last 2 months, I've attended two funerals already, and these are very young people, early 30s, early 40s, and the causes are really preventable, and that's why I think it's important to understand that the real danger here is not just the disease. The real danger is delay. So don't delay checkups, don't ignore the symptoms. Let's be more proactive in maintaining a healthy lifestyle so that we can stay healthy, informed, and protected.
Thank you so much, Mr. Enchong D, and of course, Mr. Richard Lim. How about a big round of applause? Now, we still have so many questions for you, and I'm sure our members of the media would also like to share them later on. But before that, we would like to invite each and every single one of you to please direct your attention towards the screen, and let's all watch this.
More birthdays to celebrate. More milestones. More time with those who matter. Habang healthy ka, masaya ka pa. I want to make the most out of this life. Kaya sinisigurado kong protektado ako. With Sun Life Verpa Health Insurance Program, kompleto ang health protection. From prevention to diagnosis to support and full recovery. Sa life, kapag healthy at protektado ka, ready ka for more.